Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today is not a video, but I do want to show you something really cool that I've been doing over on my other YouTube channel for gardening, which is GrowLikeAPro. And this is a pumpkin plant that I started off, and this has been going now about 1 month. So this is my first attempt at growing a plant using hydroponics, and it is coming along extremely well. And I'll just lift this up so you can see the amount of growth that is happening with these roots. And I am going to be changing this out to a slightly smaller jar later on this afternoon. But look at this. Look at the roots that are going on here. And so this here has been inside the entire time, because right now we're still in winter. I still have about 2 feet of snow. Right now it's minus 10 degrees Celsius, so it's a chilly day. And this has been growing inside the whole time. I've been giving this 16 hours of LED grow lights every single day. And I'd almost say that this is growing better inside than it would be outside where I live. So last year I harvested some seeds from a pepper that I had just purchased at the grocery store. And I don't know if they're red or green, but look at how really nice these are doing. And this is also hydroponics. The only thing is I need to start covering all of my jars, either paint them or put some foil around them, because I am getting a little bit of algae, and I'm going to switch this one out as well today. I'm going to switch it out to a new jar. But look at the growth on this. Unbelievable. And then we've got basil. I'll just lift this out so you can see the nice roots that are happening here. So that one's coming along really nicely. And then that bok choy or pak choy, and that's really healthy, coming along really nicely. I'll lift that out. Let's see if you can see the root system that is starting here. This plant is very young, so there's not a lot of roots, but there are quite a few in there. So that's nice. And then I've got, just for fun, some potato plants. So I just took a little cutting of a potato. I started it off in just a little dish of water. I had that in the kitchen window. Started that off, and let's just see what's happening. Look at the roots here. Some nice roots. Of course, potatoes have to be eventually planted in soil, but I just wanted to see, for a little bit of a joke or a test, to see what would happen if I could actually start them off using hydroponics. So that's one. And then I got another one, which I started off on the same day, but the eyes on that piece of potato were slightly larger. But look at the difference in the size. But there we go. Let's take that one out. And look at the roots on this one. Amazing. And what you're seeing here is just little DIY little adapters that I made for these little net cups, because the it wouldn't fit in here, so I just cut some out using what did I use? It was milk cartons. So I just cut some of those out, and they're working out very well. And these were more of a test. I don't know what's going to happen with these, because our growing season for planting is only around starting in the first week of June. So I think these plants are not going to make it till then. But anyway, it was just a little bit of a fun test to try out. So that's my little beginnings of hydroponics. So if you want to check out the progress of these plants, you can check them out on my other channel, GrowLikeAPro. I'll put a link down underneath the video. I do little updates from time to time on these plants, just for fun. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.